In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move images in Google Docs. If you've ever inserted a picture into a document and then struggled to get it exactly where you want it, don't worry. Google Docs can sometimes make images feel a little restrictive at first, but once you know the basic process, it becomes very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to select an image, move it to a new position, and fix the issue if it doesn't move freely. To begin, open your Google Doc and find the image you want to reposition. The first thing you need to do is click directly on the image. This selects it and lets Google Docs know that you want to work with that picture rather than the surrounding text. When the image is selected, you'll usually see a border or small handles appear around it, which confirms that it's active. Once the image is selected, click and hold your mouse button on the image, then drag it to the new location on the page. As you move it, pay attention to where it appears in relation to your text. In some cases, the image may seem to snap into place based on the paragraph structure of the document. That's normal, and it happens because Google Docs tries to keep images aligned with text unless you change the layout behavior. When you've dragged the image to the position you want, release the mouse button to place it there. This finalizes the move. If the image lands where you expected, then you're done. If not, you can simply click it again and repeat the process until it's in the right spot. It can take a small adjustment or two, especially if you're trying to place the image neatly between sections of text. If the image won't move freely, the most likely reason is its text wrapping setting. Click the image again and look for the text wrapping options that appear. Google Docs may have the image set to move in line with text, which can limit where you can drag it. Changing the wrapping option allows the image to behave more flexibly, making it easier to place it exactly where you want on the page. This is especially helpful when you want more control over layout and spacing, and that's all there is to it. Once you understand how image selection, dragging, and text wrapping work together, moving pictures around in Google Docs becomes quick and easy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.